In a small village nestled between mountains, a boy named Andy dreamed of going to school. Every morning, he watched as the village's only teacher walked past his house to the school, where a few lucky children sat on worn-out benches, learning how to read and write. But Andy wasn't one of them. His family was poor, and his father believed that working in the fields was more important than education. "Books won't fill our stomachs," his father would say. "We need hands to work, not minds to dream." Andy never argued, but deep inside, he longed to understand the words written on the newspapers the village elder read aloud. He wanted to know how numbers worked, how stories were told, how the world beyond his village functioned. One day, a man in a suit arrived in the village, announcing that a new factory was opening nearby, and they needed workers who could read instructions and do basic math. The job paid well, enough to lift families out of poverty. Excitement spread like wildfire, and many villagers rushed to apply. But when the foreman handed out the application forms, most of them, including Andy's father, stared at the papers blankly. They couldn't read a single word. The foreman sighed. "I'm sorry, but we need workers who can read and follow directions. Without that, it's too dangerous to hire you." That evening, his father sat silently by the fire. "I was wrong, Andy," he said at last. "Education is not a luxury, it's a necessity." From that day forward, his father allowed him to attend school. Though he started late, Andy studied harder than anyone else, determined never to let ignorance steal his future. Years later, he became a teacher, ensuring that no child in his village would ever miss out on the chance to learn. Moral: education is not just about learning, it's the key to unlocking opportunities and a better future. It has the power to change lives, open doors, and create opportunities that can shape a better future. Andy's story reminds us that learning is not just about books, it's about unlocking potential, breaking the cycle of poverty, and building dreams. No matter where you start, determination and knowledge can take you far. Let's ensure that no child misses the chance to learn, grow, and achieve their full potential. Believe in the power of education. Believe in the power of dreams. If you found Andy's story inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.